the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SnG Comedy.
Hello and welcome to The Big Question with SnG. We are SnG sitting in a coffee shop, hanging out, which brings us to the question of today.
Well done.
Where did we hang out?
What a segue.
Good segue.
Good segue. Very nice segue.
No, today's episode, we are going to talk about like the evolution of our hangout spots. Yes. Like we have again people of different age and varieties and different hangout
We're not the
preferences.
same ages, guys?
No, we are not, Baba. Anyone look at you and you know you're fucking fossil.
And that's
Not the company, the actual fossil.
That's not because of his age, it's because of his dietary habits.
Different stages of beard growth also. The extreme, thoda
And
homeless.
zero. I have reverse beard growing.
तेरा अंदर
Yeah, so आएगा भी नहीं तेरा beard.
Aurat.
Going back to the topic at hand.
Yeah, again, let's refresh. The topic for today is what are our favorite hangout spots.
Okay, so when I was a kid, okay, so I live in Juhu in Mumbai, and for those who are familiar, he lives in a place. His parents live in Versova, close to Versova. There's a place called Bon Bon, okay, a shoe shop.
Yes.
Across Bon Bon, I have no idea what this place was called.
Model Town.
Whatever.
Model Town.
It was a shop. It was a Sardar. He had a shop where he set up.
Arey, PlayStation. Yeah. It's called Bombay Communication.
Whatever it's called. Whatever it's called, he would charge by the hour, and that
$30.
I lived there.
Yeah, even me.
And I was obsessed with the WWF game.
Always,
Alright?
bro.
And he came up to me one day, the Sardar, he came up to me, young guy. Maybe he's a teenager back then, or maybe he's in his 20s, and I was just like 8-9 years old. He goes, "Yeah, तुम लोग ये game क्यों खेलते हो? फाड़ डालते हैं ये remote control, like फाड़ डालता है इसका क्योंकि you're concentrating this.
Down triangle, choke slam.
Why can't you guys play cricket or something like that?
Down up square pile driver.
Yeah, so my first hangout spot was Bon Bon. I spent too many hours.
It's so funny that Katie stays in Juhu,
Yeah.
okay, and his hangout spot would be near my house.
Yeah.
Whereas growing up, my hangout spot was near his house, which is just the left from Hrithik Roshan's house.
Yeah.
It's a place called Motu's. You know why? It's a place as in it's a pan wala.
Yeah.
Who also has like cold drinks and like chips and shit. And it was called Motu's because the owner was a fat guy.
Yeah.
No fucks given. It's called Ramdev Stores or something. Actual name.
कॉलेज
But
के पास था ना.
Motu's, Juhu mein.
Juhu gym खाना के बाजू में.
Dude, last 16 years I've been going to that spot.
But what do you do
It's
there?
nothing. It's a crossroad.
But what
And
do
you
you
just
do
park
there?
your car and you chill.
There's a cloud of
chill.
smoke. There's a cloud of smoke
We
there.
can't tell you what we do there, but we do.
So Motus have got cleaned up many times. Cops keep showing up and kicking everybody out. And I walk by it every day. And I see in the corners there's like 3 groups of people always. And they're all literally sitting and like chatting.
Dude, and also this one time at around 8 in the evening, I saw Hrithik Roshan and Kunal Kapoor hanging there.
Who's Kunal Kapoor?
Exactly. Kautuk, because you're not in the suburbs, you're in town. Where did you hang out?
I used to hang out. No, I used to hang out. Dude, I lived in Lower Parel and we had the bowling company. Like the first bowling place in Bombay. So the funny thing is that I used to stay in Lower Parel. We had the bowling company. And then for 4 years I moved to Thane. Okay, and that's when Phoenix happened. And I was like, damn, dude. And then we came back. But
I like how you had a bowling company in Lower where you moved to Thane and then you're playing Gilly Dand.
Dude, it was literally that.
He's not. He's playing marble. Good.
Raja Rani.
The
Indian bowling.
Sorry.
कुत्ता हम लोग का मामला लेके भाग गया.
क्या?
तू कुत्ते के साथ क्यों खेल रहा था?
No, he said that. Just straight off. Building का कुत्ता था.
अच्छा, oh.
We all wanted to play. खेल रहे. Fucking the dog came and ran off with our marbles.
End of
तीस
days.
उठा के भाग गया.
Doesn't sound
The dog
right.
running away with the marble sounds.
Doesn't
I
sound
think he's
good.
probably dead now. 30 marble मुंह में कैसे रखा उसने?
30 क्या है?
नहीं लेके गया ना 4-5
अबे 30 क्या है? इसके पास 2 marbles है.
2.
Guys.
Okay, I still have 2 left.
Level in your
In
time.
pre-independence India, where did you hang out?
Listen, I know by the sundial, right? You guys
Yes.
stood by the.
And we used to plan how to get India independent.
Yeah.
So for us, it was mostly like colony के अंदर एक कट्टा होता था.
But where is this?
What is a
location?
katta?
Katta is a piece of granite.
Yes.
But सुन ना,
It's not a hangout spot.
So I
as
grew up.
much as
Sounds
it
like
is
this badass
rock.
place. कहीं जाके बैठे हैं लोग ऐसे at the edge of a cliff, but नहीं, it's a piece
Katta
of.
sounds like a place in Kanpur where everyone sits and sharpens their ampuris. Katte pe mill.
Katta is basically a jugadu bench. Okay. So I grew up in 3 places. For the lack of a better, my mom
Simultaneously.
sort of, because my dad lived in Chembur and we had a bungalow there. So over there it was like huge or whatever. And we used
In
to,
Chembur.
in Chembur. which is fine. Good. Kanta Sadan was the name of it, just so you know.
Wow.
Then the other place was Mahim, because that's where my grandparents used to live with my mother. And so in Mahim, I was in a Parsi colony.
Shocking.
Yeah. So in a Parsi colony.
They let you in.
Yeah. But they didn't know. Then they eventually kicked
Would you
us
hung
out.
out in the Agyari?
No, I had my Navjot done.
Looking
so
for a light. Anyone have a light? Arey udhar hai na. Arey wo Bhagwan hai. Bhagwan.
There's something really funny Neville told me once was like when they were kids, they used to. So what is the dish that you get, like the eggs?
I like how you said when Neville were kids.
Neville and his like cousins and stuff.
Edu.
So
All
Edu.
Edu. What Edu, but?
So the Edu, like if someone would die, only then you would get to eat that.
That's
egg.
Dhansak. No, that's Malido.
Malido.
So, okay,
Eid
Malido
just sounds like cute Eid.
No. So Malido is basically a dish which is, it's a sweet, okay? But unfortunately it's available only when someone passes away. So my cousin and me used to say, "Aaj kaun marega?" so that we can get Malido.
This is how
बाबा
serial killers.
खरीदना मलीडो किधर से?
This is how serial killers are born. Like for Malido.
यहाँ पे serial killer घूम रहा है पारसी कॉलोनी में
मलीडो खाने का उसको
फलने का उसको
We used to have a maidan in the Parsi colony. We used to do all these activities like volleyball and like carom.
In a
and all.
maidan?
Yeah, we used to have a maidan and a gymkhana. Parsis are cool like that. Enough like stuff we used
Actually,
to do.
best properties are all with fucking Parsis,
Yeah,
man.
used to have amazing properties.
पहले
Dude,
ब्रिटिश के साथ बैठ के चिल करके साला सब हड़प
All
लिया.
amazing, like our ceilings and all were great.
That
like
came out
cross
very-
ventilation.
हाँ,
a lot of feeling.
और बाकी हम लोग सब उधर मर रहे हैं अंधेरी में.
angry Maharashtrian, right?
No, and then eventually I moved to, so my teenage years I sort of spent mostly in boarding school, but then I came back to Greenfields, which was in Andheri, where I used to hang out. In the colony, we used to hang out at a katta, where we used to just sit and it was nothing. We used to play a game.
Just sounds like you just sat there and छेड़ोड women.
That's
yeah,
yeah.
झरने कभी इधर भी बरस.
We used to talk about shit, random stuff. There was always, I'm sure all of us had this one chart wala that we all can swear by saying this is the best chart ever in the history of mankind, right? Like everybody's chart guy is different. So our chart guy used to come one day. One week he stopped coming. So he stopped getting his pani puri thing there for a week.
Getting off the
Yeah. And for a week he was not there. And 1 week later, another guy showed up. So we were like throwing a strike against him. We were like, हम आपसे नहीं खरीदेंगे and all that. But he's like, why? So he's like, नहीं आप वो नहीं हो. Finally he told us वो मेरा पापा था वो मर गया. So now I don't. This is our only source of
So
income.
then you got
फिर उसने को
Malido.
मालिडो दिया क्या? पानी पूरी मालिडो.
Pani puri Malido. No. So we used to, and there was always this one thing. We used to play a game, then we used to go eat pani puri, then we used to just sit and do nothing. We would play like shit. एक बार वो light कम हो जाता था, फिर तू cricket नहीं खेल पाता था, badminton नहीं खेल पाता था, कुछ नहीं. So we used to just go there, sit and all till someone would call you from, because मेरे time पे cell phone नहीं था guys. So हम लोग को बुलाता था उधर से, Neville, come in India!
Holy shit.
That was not my mom. That was just whatever.
वैसे बाजू वाली आंटी तेरे को बुलाती थी तेरे
Sort
घर
of.
जाने के लिए.
Because मम्मी तो allowed नहीं करता था खाना खाने के लिए.
So, but okay, have any of you guys ever hung out? Have you guys done the stereotypical Mumbai thing and done the
Juhu Beach?
not bandstand?
Yeah.
Yeah, bandstand.
Bandstand
all
I've never done. There was an under construction building next to my house. We used to go there.
How do you supplement bandstand with an under construction building?
Dude, that's a rape scene, dude. Like that's weird.
What were you doing?
No, we were like 8 years old, so we used to climb there
Even
and
weirder.
like Salya Walya. So we used to come back with like cuts and bruises and tetanus
You know,
injection.
Aadar,
used
we
to
are
be
very
quite often.
fortunate that we have you here.
You're
with us.
alive.
This is very dangerous.
So one sec, Karan, you mentioned bandstand.
Yeah.
Did you mention bandstand for the reason it was bandstand?
Well, bandstand is known for that spot. So it was if you had a chick.
Yes.
And I was never able to get a chick. I was too stupid.
Because you were in America.
No, when I'm talking about the time I
Yeah,
was
you
here.
had the Golden Gate Bridge and then you had the
I was in fucking
Yosemite
Missouri,
Park.
man. What Golden Gate Bridge? Fuck all
Missouri
farms
में
are
है
there.
bandstand.
Corn farms.
You had Debbie, the farmer's daughter.
Oh, corn farms के अंदर.
Then what happened?
British person saying it.
So it was a fantasy when I was a kid of mine to find some chick who's willing to go to bandstand with me. No chick ever did.
I'm sure Varun, Karan,
No, but
you
I
guys
have
remember
gone.
this.
I have gone on
Of
the
course,
beach,
so have
ठीक
I.
है? And we thought we'll go and find a spot.
Why not?
Except while walking, we're trying to figure out a spot. You can't is because from every nook and corner, these guys come out like fucking crabs.
Yeah, there are already
Suddenly,
people
they're
there.
wearing their
And
clothes.
there are actual crabs.
And when you see that, you're like, fuck, bro, मैं इधर नहीं जा रहा कुछ भी करने के लिए.
all over the
No,
place.
plus you have to time your makeout with the tide.
Kautuk has done it. Kautuk has a full Excel sheet. Tuesday 6 बजे low tide.
This is why a population of this country is so enormous because we are trying to fuck all the time. We can't. Society will not let us. So once we get married, you're like, बहन जो कपड़े निकाल.
Wow.
Also, you know, so fast. See, all of us are Bombay boys. So You remember the time when Bombay was no deadlines? Like Bombay was amazing. I think you will remember it.
You mean in
and
1633?
No, fuck off. Okay.
When I didn't know what deadline meant.
British के time पे no curfew.
When I was growing up,
Yeah, exactly.
when I was growing up, there was no deadline. Like clubs used to be open.
Fuck,
Discs
Mountbatten was
used to be
awesome
open.
then,
Discs used to be open till 5 and all that. Like we used to have 3
अभी भी
flights
खुला
up
है
and
भाई.
things like
अभी
that.
जाना बंद कर दिया इसे. अभी भी खुला है.
Dude, he's talking about fire and ice.
Yeah, fire and ice.
Buddy, fire and ice.
3
I
flights
used to
up.
go there for day socials because we were 16 and we were not allowed to go out at night. So I have gone there in the day.
J49.
Bro, my parents used to go there after the point.
So I'm your parents' age.
Yeah.
Fire and
It's
ice.
not-
When I was 17, 18, I used
Yeah.
to go. Used to
And
go.
right next to that was Velocity.
Yeah.
Velocity.
Yeah, so you had day socials there. You
Correct.
would go
And
chill.
Madness was also really popular. So I'm just saying that
Madness turned into a pickup joint so fast.
Yes.
So fast.
Yes.
I went like when I was 18, 19, I went to Hype. Okay, and it was such a sad night.
And
I was like,
it didn't
this
live
is
up to
right.
it.
Yeah. Like,
so we used to have this other thing where when we were young, you mentioned it, we used to go to discs in the afternoons, like for some fucking weird reason. But when this thing used to not happen, where there were no deadlines and stuff, it was great because you could park your car at Bandstand or Marine Drive or Chowpatty at fucking 4 in the morning and nobody would disturb you. Like there were no cops coming in or whatever. There was one guy outside Chowpatty who used to do the best Sitafal milkshake, but he would open at 1 a.m. He would open at 1 a.m. So at 4:30 in the morning, you're having Sitafal milkshake by the beach. Those were the days when we used to hang out.
You know, like another hangout spot sort of became for us during college would be all these bhurji walas at night. No,
That's
so
still there.
if you come to Bombay and you go to this, if you want diarrhea, you go to this place in Juhu called Khurshid Bhurji Wala. And the reason I have high cholesterol is because of Khurshid. Because I spent like some 6 years just dabawing
This is
shit
under the
But this
Parla
is
Bridge.
not everywhere. Like outside Xavier's, there was a dosa wala. This guy was famous for making his beetroot dosa. His dosa masala was red in color.
which had his own blood.
What is with you and liquids from people's bodies
Because it
being
is
in
true,
food?
dude. That pani puri wala peed in the jaljeera. Teko मालूम है कि नहीं?
And you
Yeah,
liked it now?
Ajib
You liked it now?
frustration.
Shut up.
that was one guy in Thane. Like,
There's one
But
guy,
they do
in
that.
Parla,
That's the one guy who got caught.
One guy, like, we used to go for pav bhaji and like misal pav in Parla. And so he used to sit.
Bro, that was brown color pav bhaji.
Yeah,
no,
that was,
disgusting.
you knew that you had pav bhaji the next 3 days. के तूने 3 दिन पहले pav bhaji खाया.
क्योंकि वो अभी
Yeah.
भी आ
You
रहा
knew
है.
it, your neighbors knew it.
Yeah.
No,
Your
the
mohalla
other
knew it.
really popular joint that used to happen for street food when we were growing up were those Chinese guys with the thelas.
yeah, still there.
Triple Szechuan fried
But
rice.
here's the thing.
Raju's Chinese.
If you go to any place in
To
India, you'll
kabutar
have
khana.
the roadside Chinese, right?
Correct.
And they try to prove how authentic they are by adding dragon to their name. Dragon Chinese.
Dragon Chinese.
Ping pong Chinese. Ching
yeah.
chong.
Yeah,
मतलब
the
भाई
more racist, the more authentic.
Food, Chinese.
यहाँ पर
food.
क्या क्या
You know,
मिलता है
no
सर?
one
यहाँ
is-
पर क्या क्या मिलता है सर?
no one
फ्राइड
is-
राइस, लॉलीपॉप और रेसिज्म.
No, you know what they should do? There needs to be a BuzzFeed video where a Chinese guy tries Indian Chinese food.
Yeah.
That hasn't happened.
Yeah, no, that's the thing. And these are
It
all
was really
they say
racist because there was always a guy who was from the northeast. Who
yeah,
was
they
cooking.
would say it's an authentic Chinese restaurant run exclusively by Nepalis. There was not a single person from China who was there. और सबसे पहले authentic नहीं के लिए Chinese लोग गरम मसाला नहीं डालते.
Also, there is no such thing as Hakka noodle.
Also,
I think the only thing authentic about these Chinese thelas was that they were using every form of bird possible.
उन लोग के चिकन को पोलियो है actually.
पोलियो है.
इतना
कभी
पतला
कभी
नहीं.
कभी लकीली कबूतर आएगा, frog आएगा.
But bhari taste. One of the best dishes at this roadside place, and especially one near my house in Jew, is called Ratan Chinese. Okay.
Wow.
No,
My-
यहाँ पे नहीं है. I'm not racist. मैं
is a
रतन-
new
नहीं,
one,
Ratan
yeah.
Chinese. Bro, this guy is fucking famous. अमिताभ के घर के बाजू में उसका ठेला, ठीक है? So my cousin discovered him and he introduced me to it. So he used to have chicken chopper rice, which is 3 kilos of rice with a big anda on top and like whatever, some bird fried and put inside. And I was addicted to that shit.
Yeah.
Okay, so much so that I had this one girlfriend who used to stay in New Bombay. So I dropped her to New Bombay and I was on my way back. I was hungry. और मेरे दिमाग में आया chicken chopper rice, which is Juhu, which is an hour and a half away. I said, fuck it, मैं जब तक ये नहीं खाएगा,
मेरे को
खुशी
चैन
नहीं
नहीं
मिलेगा.
this is his Harold and Kumar got a white
तो
castle.
मैं बाइक ये करके गया उधर and I have payload that chicken chopper rice. 4 दिन hospital.
Yeah.
Nice.
उसके बाद
It's bad.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
straight bro. I think I shat my intestines out.
Achha, guys, you also know back in the day, like going to town was a big deal. तू तो town में रहता था, but for us living in Juhu and Heri side, going to town was, you know, our parents had to drive us there.
Yeah.
So there was this one spot. I hope it's still around. It's called
Bachelors.
Snowman's.
Yeah, of course.
Snowman's candy,
Yeah,
Beach
Snowman's
candy.
candy. Okay,
Of
so
course,
my mom would take me there, and I will never forget. This is a tradition.
Yeah.
My sister Mansi and I would go there. My mom would get us donuts, the
Yeah.
chocolate donuts. That was because there was no donuts in Bombay.
Nothing.
Niagara donuts did not exist.
Did not exist.
That was a hangout spot in a sense. But I looked forward to those days. Now I'm like going to
Soman's
like a pain in the
was
ass.
legend.
No, but you know,
Soman's
my
legend.
family and my mom's side, especially the Sindhi side, they love chaat, right? So for the longest time, our family gatherings would be at Juhu Beach.
Yeah.
We would straight be at Juhu Beach, where my mama and all would carry our own chatais. Fuck sitting on there, our own
always, yeah,
chatais.
yeah.
We had one guy who would just keep sending pav bhaji, sev puri, and we are payloading it.
And
dude.
this was
like,
the time when they didn't have the organized Juhu Beach. No,
Yeah.
where the
Yeah.
the
Anything
cars were
goes.
everywhere.
कहीं
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
है, तेरे पास
Anything
जगह नहीं
goes.
चलने के लिए तू जाएगा किसी के पाव भाजी में पाव चला
Yeah.
जाएगा
No, but
Like, sorry,
it
sir.
was
Actual pav bhaji.
Like let's
Pav bhaji.
move a few years later, right? Suddenly the
College.
advent of college.
First was Barista.
in Santa Cruz. There was a
Barista,
Barista
yes.
in Santa Cruz that came up.
And they had one thing called the Blue Lagoon.
Yes. They
Okay,
also
which was
had
a
the
blue colored-
affogato.
It was. Did you guys? We like bowling was big.
Bowling was
But
big.
suddenly, like I think
Pool
when we were
parlors
15
became a huge
Yeah.
deal.
5 years
Fuck
of pool
pool
parlors.
parlors.
So I think first there was a bowling thing.
But
Okay.
pool parlors were always behind the gaming. Like, there used to be that club.
No, first was barista type. Then came the bowling
Correct.
culture.
Then
Everyone
came
going
the hookah
bowling.
culture.
Then came hookah, where mocca came into the scene.
Yeah.
And you ask people, "अरे क्या करे? चल moccas चलते,
Moccas
moccas, moccas में जाके बैठते." And there
Mocca
would be
भी
like
लेगा.
9 dudes with one hookah single pipe.
Yeah.
And everyone just like
Yeah.
And we have no clue what we're doing. Also.
just ऐसे हाँ अरे I'm feeling
Arabian
Rajasthani
Nights.
today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then after that you had pool parlors obviously,
pool
and then Counter Strike.
Counter-Strike.
Come on,
Yes.
Counter Strike. I think most of my friends
I
from
learned
back in
how
junior
to
college didn't
swear.
graduate,
LAN,
but they are great at Counter Strike.
Yeah.
Like they've gone to Russia
Yeah, for
to
tournaments.
play Counter Strike tournaments, buddy.
People go for tournaments.
मैं गाली then I learned how to insult people because of just to like
Because you had to you have a gali type username.
yeah
तेरी माँ की चू
Yeah.
was your username.
और every time you die किसने मारा मेरे को भेड़ के just kind of shouting across the room
ए चलना आगे
हाँ, साला camper.
हाँ तेरे को मैं लेगा तेरा अरे तेरा बॉम्ब की तो माँ का
Really? Counter-Strike was great.
I
No, but you
remember,
won.
like then CCDs and things like that, right? Like, so I used to have this hack where I used to get into CCD and I used to order the cookies, $12. Okay, and then just sit for 2 hours nibbling on one cookie.
Nothing has changed. The philosophy is still the same.
Kautuk still does that
Yeah.
No, but not
Except
Kautuk,
the
just
cookie is
everybody
now
in general.
42 rupees.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah,
exactly.
they've realized.
Inflation.
They've realized. Yeah.
You know, the most unusual hangout spot that I had, and it's weird. It's not even like a hangout spot, but we would love to fuck around. Okay,
like
was
just ऐसे
we had
Sure,
Film
I
City,
agree.
pass, not like
Film
fuck around,
City,
fuck around.
Film City. Where so we're shooting at the YouTube Spaces, which is inside Film City, and Film City, for those of you who don't know, has jungle all around. The SnG National Park is here. So we would come out I would sneak my friend's dad's car, and we would sneak out here at night and go into the leopard prone area.
Correct.
Where it is written very clearly that if you get eaten by a leopard, then you are fucked. It's your responsibility. I'm like, "अरे चल गान मस्ती करते leopard के साथ." And we would go to the gate of Sanjay Gandhi National Park, put the lights off. Then you had a bet.
Yeah.
Whoever stands outside with the car door shut for 15 seconds gets $500.
Wow.
I stood outside the car for 1 second. I did by stood out, I mean I just opened the door and I shut it. Because your gand will fato.
Yeah. So I used to live in Greenfields, which was on.
This is the guy who's scared of like chicken.
He's scared of a
He's
bee,
scared of
dude.
moths
So
Chicken?
cockroach he's scared
Remember we
of.
shot with the chicken on set once?
Yeah.
Dude, that guy was looking at me. No. 1 second. You guys
वो
don't
मुर्गी मेरे को देख रहा था
So I'll tell you my story about leopards. I grew up in Greenfields during my teen years, which was near the Mahakali Caves Road, so which is now JVLR, right?
Yeah.
There was nothing there. There was just jungles. This Oberoi, that JVLR didn't exist. And there was one bus called a 442 number का बस आता था जो वो वहाँ से अंधेरी स्टेशन जाता था और वापस आता था. सुबह 5:30 बजे जो पहला बस होता था would be parked in the night at that stop. The conductor who used to come used to shit in his pants because every day in the morning there was one leopard cub sleeping under the bus, one leopard in the bus.
No, but you know what's hilarious?
Every morning.
What's hilarious? He comes in and the leopard like, हाँ एक अंधेरी देना.
So it was great.
कब का आधा टिकट लगेगा
नहीं सर कब फ्री है आप
Every morning
आप और मैडम का 4 रुपए.
some wild animal is hanging around one bus near one BEST bus because double decker तो उसका ये भी नहीं मालूम है कि ऊपर बैठा है नीचे बैठा है.
It is hilarious if you didn't know there was a leopard upstairs. The bus starts, takes a person like मैं ऊपर जाके बैठता है. And he never comes back because now he's dead.
People who keep going up just disappear.
This was the same scene in Thane. So when I was in Thane, we had a lake there called Upwan Lake. Okay, it's a very small lake. It like you can like
It's a
very
pond.
Yeah, it's almost a pond. It's a pond that's let itself go. Okay, it's what it is. And they had a board over there saying beware of crocodile. Okay, and
One singular crocodile.
yeah, crocodile. Okay, so apparently the legend was someone had left one there. Okay, and I don't know if there was food there or whatever. It was there, and everyone.
थाने का लेक प्लासिड है.
Yeah, it was literally that. And for years, like we used to think it was just a joke, right? Of course, there's no crocodile. And then one day, there's a picture in the Thane newspaper.
थाने
Okay?
Times.
Yeah,
Thane Times?
Thane Plus it was. Thane Plus.
Thane Plus of Akshay Kumar stealing thumbs up from the crocodiles.
And it's a massive crocodile. Okay, they've caught it. It's a huge crocodile. Full Lake Placid scene. I was like, dude, like I've been so close to that water and I had no idea.
तू भी नहीं होता हम लोग के साथ आज.
हाँ, actually.
तेरा खून भरी मांग हो जाता bro.
No,
come back with plastic
we used to.
film.
You remember another place that we all visited, and I don't think you were too. You're too young for this. But single screen cinemas.
Oh, yeah.
was a-
What do you mean?
was a-
Did visit? I still visit.
Yeah.
No,
No,
I meant
no,
that
but-
you didn't have an option.
Yeah.
You had
That-
Sterling, New Excelsior, New Empire for English films,
Yeah.
Regal, Metro. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ये side आएगा Getty Galaxy, Gemini, whatever.
Dude,
Chandan,
that's
bro,
right, yeah.
Chandan.
Chandan. For English movies, Sterling, dude. I remember
Sterling.
Sterling Regal.
You know, I saw Titanic for the first time.
Yep.
Sterling, I saw in, Matrix for the first time,
Yeah.
and Fifth Element. And I remember walking out of all these movies, just like those are
Blown.
moments, right? I was
Blown.
blown.
Place to hang out. Yeah, exactly. The snacks, because you go to this single screens in Bombay. All
Yeah.
single screens have samosa supplied from one company.
Yes.
A1 Samosa. Yes. Okay, it's
In
a
that
branch
white
of Guru
color
Kripa.
theli.
It's amazing. Standard thing was 20 bucks for samosa,
No, I
20
just
bucks
Yeah.
for Coke.
So-
40 bucks mein plus we would, if I went with guys, I would take stall seat which was 40
Correct.
bucks. So 80 rupees plus 20 रुपया travel का. So 100 rupees में full night
Correct.
sorted.
Correct.
Like how you-
लड़की आया तो 200 रुपया.
Correct. Because dress circle.
हाँ तो नहीं 220 because तू फिर balcony में
Balcony
बैठा
या
जो
dress
70
circle,
रुपया.
yeah.
हाँ dress circle नहीं बहुत गर्म
What's the
है.
difference between balcony and
So
dress circle?
I'll tell you this, guys. I'll tell you this.
Oh
This
my
is
God,
my
fuck,
geeky
I'm
moment.
sorry I asked.
So there was lower stall, which is basically iodex seats. ठीक है, ऐसा देखना पड़ता था. Which is the first four thing. उसके बाद थोड़ा ऊपर रहता था ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ही जो था अपर स्टॉल. ठीक है, उसके बाद बालकनी इज ऑन द सीलिंग
One
बट
floor
राइट एट द बैक. Okay, right at the back because it's
No,
the
one
higher
floor
thing.
up, one floor up.
One floor up, but right at the back because those are seats that you're watching like this. Dress circle is eye level. Do you get it? Like dress circle is the front
No,
rows.
is it
on the-
mezzanine? Is it
it's-
mezzanine?
Can I
There's
say
no
something?
mezzanine. It's
Can I-
on that
can-
same level. So, it
So
goes
you know,
up.
this, one of the culture shocks of living in the States actually was this. I'm used to this. This is how theaters are.
Yeah.
I go to see a movie in the US and there's just one level.
and it's also free seating.
It's free seating.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why
It's
are
free
we?
seating because people respect.
Yeah.
नहीं चल तू
हाँ,
उधर
तो
बैठ जा.
interval
No,
टूट
but-
गया, टूट के गया ना.
But it's a reflection. It's a reflection of the class system. How like strong the class system in India is. That people with money will sit up top and the poor people will sit at the bottom.
But you know,
No,
like
came
I've had
from
some of my
theatre.
best moments
No, but it
watching. Like for one of the dates, I took this girl to stall. Let's we like enjoy this
Enjoy,
experience. She loved it because you get to see movies where suddenly people are सीटी मार रहा है. उसके बाजू में there was this auntie who got up and started dancing. And
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
like, I've never seen
So
this.
there's- so
तो
there's-
ये टाउन से ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो उन लोगों के लिए एक मिनट ये
Baya,
क्या है?
Baya, ये बहुत
Bye.
अच्छा है, Baya.
So there's two stories that I want to say, and they're literally poles apart. Okay, so there's 1993. Tezab was 93, right? So 1993 Tezab. I bought
I was
tickets
6.
in black outside Getty.
Black has disappeared now.
Yeah, black has disappeared. So I was buying outside Getty tickets in black, and I've gotten hit by a cop because I was और मैं stall में देखा और मैं वो screen के बाजू में जो ऐसा stage type होता है जिस पे director लोग बात कर उस पे नाचा है हम लोग ding dong ding पे. Cut to 2017. 3 हफ्ते पहले मैं गेटी गैलेक्सी में गया है
सलमान.
to watch Dangal. Okay, because Dangal is only playing in one of those G7 ऐसा sofa type 14 seat type theater, ठीक है. और उधर अभी भी caterer सेम है ब्रो. वो समोसा मिला और वो चोको कोन आइसक्रीम मैं 22 रुपीस पे किया वो चोकोबार के लिए 22 रुपीस.
No, but you know, I think now what we should really talk about is like the amazing plethora of options that all the young fucking kids have today. तो
Startups.
14 साल की उम्र में क्लबिंग कर रहे हैं.